Hello, everyone. I'm Christine Procopio, a local realtor here on beautiful Marco Island, Florida. Today, I'm excited to share with you some valuable insights and guidance for individuals who are considering buying a vacation home right here on this stunning island. Whether you're drawn to the white sandy beaches, the vibrant culture, or the laid-back lifestyle, I'm here to help you navigate the process. Let's dive in. Marco Island truly is a paradise. With its pristine beaches, clear turquoise waters, and an abundance of outdoor activities, it's no wonder why so many people dream of owning a piece of this tropical haven. From boating and fishing to fine dining and boutique shopping, there's something here for everyone. Now let's talk about the real estate market on Marco Island. The market here can be quite dynamic, influenced by factors like seasonality and demand. It's important to work with a knowledgeable local realtor who can provide you with up-to-date market trends, property values, and investment potential. When it comes to choosing the perfect vacation home, it's crucial to identify your needs and preferences. Are you looking for a beachfront condo, a luxurious waterfront villa, or something more modest? Knowing what you're looking for will help narrow down your options. Let's talk numbers. Owning a vacation home is not just about the purchase price. You'll need to consider property taxes, homeowners association fees, maintenance costs, and potential rental income. If you plan to rent it out when you're not using it, I can help you create a comprehensive budget that covers all these aspects. Navigating the legalities and regulations of buying a property can be complex, especially if you're not familiar with local laws. From zoning regulations to vacation rental rules, I'll guide you through the process, ensuring a smooth and legal transaction. Location is key in real estate, and Marco Island offers a variety of neighborhoods, each with its own charm. Whether you prefer a lively atmosphere or a more serene environment, I'll help you find the neighborhood that aligns with your lifestyle. Partnering with a dedicated realtor can make all the difference. I'm here not just to sell you a property, but to guide you through every step of the buying process. My local expertise, industry knowledge, and commitment to your satisfaction set me apart. So if you're dreaming of owning a vacation home on Marco Island, I'd be honored to assist you in making that dream a reality. Remember, this isn't just a property, it's a lifestyle investment. Feel free to reach out to me for a no-obligation consultation. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to helping you find your perfect piece of paradise. Until next time. For expert guidance on buying your vacation home, contact me today at ChristineTheNaplesFLagent.com. Subscribe for more insightful real estate tips and island living advice.